Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be showing you the cutting process on your Cricut Explorer Air 2. So we're taking it from where we left off on our cutting screen. So now I'm just going to take our standard grip mat. It's a 12 by 12 and I'm going to lay our vinyl on there. I'm using the spatula tool to make sure that the vinyl sticks to the mat so it doesn't move at the time of the cut. Once it's secure, we will feed the mat into our machine. All we use is the buttons. Once your mat is secure, that means your C will start blinking. That means it's ready to cut. So we just select that. As you can see, the machine is now cutting. It's pretty quick and you can see the progress on your computer screen. Once our Cricut has done its job, now it's my turn to do the cutting. In this case, ours is a 2-colored sticker. So I'm just going to take this piece, which is our background, and use our weeder tool to remove the excess vinyl. Once we have our background cut out, we're going to select the second portion of our sticker. And the same thing, we're just going to take our mat and take our second piece of vinyl, secure it with our spatula tool, and place it into our Cricut machine and feed it in with, again, the buttons. So it's the 2 arrows that go front and back. We select it while feeding our mat into the machine. With our mat secure, again, we will choose the flashing C button and it'll start to do the cut on its own. Now it's my turn to do the cutting process again. So we just take our piece of vinyl that we need, and the same process with our weeder tool, we just take off the excess vinyl. To put the sticker together, we're going to be needing transfer tape. So we take our green piece, which is the layer that goes on top, off first, and then we place our transfer tape, and then we were putting it on top of our background. Of course, we're making sure that it's aligned and straight. That's what the transfer tape's for, and that's why the grid lines are there. Now that we have the sticker together, we use the transfer tape to place it onto any surface we want. And there you have it, our vinyl sticker. Go Broncos! Please join us next time for another Lightspeed tutorial.